Hey guys, Mike back here again. So this evening we're going to cook ourselves a very simple chicken curry. Let's get on with it. First off, we'll chop up a medium onion, just fine slice. I'm just trying to do this as quick as possible. Just kind of clean up as I go. There you go, slice. And we'll just put it to one side. Make sure your knife's nice and sharp. Next we'll have some garlic. I like to just squash the garlic open, it's easier that way. Get a few pieces out. If you just give them a slap with a cleaver or a heavy knife, it just releases the skin, and then just trim off the root end. You've probably seen me do this a million times now. I mean, you can do the thing where you put them in a jar, you rattle it around and the skins come off, but yeah, it's a bit of exercise. Just make sure we're not wasting anything, and then we'll quickly just give it a good squash down just to release the oils, and then we'll just quickly chop through. And next we'll just quickly chop our chicken up, just trim it into some sort of slices and then drop it into cubes. Next, into the pan, so some oil, make sure your pan's good and hot. We'll go in with garlic first to get the aromatics going. Then we'll throw onion in. Love them frying sounds and the smell from onion and the garlic already. The kitchen's full of beautiful aroma. Just move that around, get that oil flavoured up. Next, we'll go in a little bit of black pepper and some paprika. I just want the smokiness from the paprika in there. We'll give that a stir around. Get them flavours amalgamated. As I say, the smell in here, the aroma, yep, very spicy. Nice can of tomatoes. Just grab the low salt tomatoes, much better. You can add your own salt then. Like I say, combine all of them flavours again. A little bit of curry powder. There's probably a tablespoon or so in there. So we're just building up them flavours. And then I realised I had a jar of butter chicken, which we got from the big box store, and it was close to end of date, so I don't like using stuff like that, but we'll use it anyway. Anyway, we'll throw our chopped chicken in, which was marinated with some curry leaf, kaffir lime leaves, a little bit of oil, salt and black pepper. Again, give that a really good stir around. It's thickening up nicely now. Beautiful. Time for a taste test very soon. So next we get our rice on, and we'll leave our curry to simmer away for a good 15-20 minutes. So I'm using basmati rice of 3 cups of rice to 4 cups of water. But make sure you give your rice a good wash, which I'll show you next. I just like to fill the pot up as much as you can. Swish the rice around, get your fingers in there or a spoon in there. We just want to release as much of that starch as possible. As you can see, the water's a milky colour from the starch. Just keep going, and then just tip the pot for your rice maker over, just let the water go, and just repeat this process 2 or 3 times. We'll put our pot in our rice maker, or rice cooker. And I almost forgot, I like to put a little bit of chicken powder in there just to add to the flavour, and it gives it that little umami, the Japanese would say. Or as everybody else knows it as, a little bit of MSG. Not exactly good for you, but it makes the food taste wonderful. So, press our button. Once it pops, we're done. And there we have it, some nice fluffy basmati rice. This is the best rice I've found for curry. So it's nice and fluffy there, just break that up. Don't let it sit, otherwise it will stick together. So we're going to plate up. I'm just going to throw myself a little bit in the bowl. This is really just a supper for myself here. So that should be enough for me. And then we'll throw on some of this beautiful curry. The smells coming off of this, wow, absolutely fantastic. Well guys, let me know what you think. Give me a shout. Smash that like button. Love you all. Yeah, please smash that like button. Send me a message. Let me know who you are, where you're from. Love you all, Mike.